Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'll be walking you through how to install Sublime Text. What is Sublime Text? Sublime Text is a plain text editor. It is described as sophisticated on its website. It's a very popular text editor and it is cross-platform. That means it will work across multiple platforms. It will work on a Windows machine. It will work on a Linux. It will work on a Mac. It is easily customizable as well. A text editor is basically what you use to write code, just like you use a Microsoft Word to write text. Programmers use what you call a plain text editor to write their code. And Sublime Text is one of such text editors. Sublime Text allows you to use it for free. You can download it and use it for a period of time, but you're also advised to purchase a license once you're comfortable using it. So it's not completely free, even though it lets you download and use, but it's advisable that you do pay for it once you've used it for a while and you're happy with it. I am on the website called sublimetext.com. This is the website you need to go to download Sublime Text. So if I scroll down, you can read more about it, what it can do, and so on. So feel free to read through the text. I'm just going to click on this option to download because I'm on a Windows machine. If you are on a Mac or other platform, there's a link here that you can click. So the current version of Sublime Text is 3. So I'm going to click on this to download it for Windows. Click on the download button and the download has begun. It is 7.4 megabytes. So it's not a very large file. So let's install it. I'm just going to double click on the link here to install Sublime Text. I was a bit impatient there. It hadn't actually finished. Now it's finished downloading. So let me double click on the link and it should open up. I'm going to click run and I will click on yes to install. I'll just minimize this for a while and just concentrate on the installation screen. So I'll click next. I'm just going to accept all the default. I'll click next. I'll click, you can check this if you want to add to Explorer context menu. I'm going to click next to install. So the installation should be fairly quick. See, it's finished now. I just click finish. And if you go to your programs menu and go start, and you should see it launch. So this is the Sublime Text. This is what it looks like. When you launch it for the first time, it comes here. It has this text that says unregistered because you have not paid for your copy. So once you're happy and you like the product, it's advisable that you pay for it. And then you won't have this option that says unregistered each time you launch the application to use it. So that is it for this lecture on installing Sublime Text. Thanks for watching and bye for now.